Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Netflix Party to watch movies and shows with friends remotely, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up synchronized viewing. Step 1. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer and navigate to the Chrome Web Store by searching for Netflix Party extension. Step 2. Find the Netflix Party extension, now called Teleparty, and click Add to Chrome to install it in your browser. Step 3. Click Add Extension in the confirmation pop-up to complete the installation. A new icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Step 4. Open Netflix.com in Chrome and log in with your account credentials. Select a movie or TV show you want to watch with friends. Step 5. Start playing the content and then click on the Netflix Party icon in your browser toolbar to create a viewing party. Step 6. Click Start the Party to generate a unique Watch Party URL. Netflix Party will synchronize playback for all participants. Step 7. Copy the generated URL and share it with friends via text, email, or social media. Anyone with the link can join your viewing party. Step 8. Once friends join using the link, everyone will watch in sync with a shared chat sidebar. You can pause, play, or rewind, and changes will affect all viewers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.